Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're taking a close look at FentiCoin. It's a crypto platform, and the promises are huge.
Huge returns, advanced trading tools, millions of users. You've heard it all before.
Exactly. So our mission is to take one really critical review and just, see how trustworthy this platform actually is.
And you're right to be suspicious. I mean, when you first land on their site, it looks polished, it looks very tempting.
It does.
But our source material shows that the second you start digging into its legitimacy, that temptation, it just turns into alarm pretty quickly.
What really got me was the pattern in the complaints. People say deposits work fine, the dashboard even shows you're making a profit, but then you try to get your money out.
And that's the wall.
Right. So what's the mechanism there? Is it just fees or something else?
It's not an accident, it's in the model. The funds are there on screen, but they are completely inaccessible.
A mirage.
It's a classic pattern for these high-risk sites. Users report a couple of main tactics. Either they suddenly ask for these huge extra fees, like a tax, to unlock your money. Okay.
Or, and this is worse, customer support just goes completely silent. The moment you hit that withdraw button, they vanish.
Yeah.
If money goes in but can't come out, that's the ultimate red flag.
So is this just a few people, or is there external data that confirms this is a systemic problem? What do the outside validators say?
Oh, it's confirmation across the board.
Yeah.
I mean, Trust Wallet gives it a low rating, sure, but what's really fascinating is Scam Advisor.
They dig into domain legitimacy, right?
Exactly. And they gave FentiCoin just an abysmal score.
How bad is abysmal? What's the number?
1 out of 100.
1. Wow.
Yeah, and that score isn't random. It's based on some really fundamental missing information. Their analysis points to two huge problems. First, the owners. Completely hidden. No team, no company, nothing.
Anonymous.
Totally. And second, the domain itself, FentiCoin.com, is incredibly new.
And this is where it gets really interesting, because that fact just completely contradicts their marketing. We have sources like avoid that track domain registrations.
And they showed the site was registered barely 6 months ago. So you have this verifiable 6-month history.
And a marketing claim of millions of satisfied users. The two things just can't both be true.
The dashboard looks real, sophisticated even, but the facts show a brand new site run by ghosts.
And that's the logical flaw. If you connect this to the bigger picture, all the independent reviews are saying the same thing. Profit claims that are just unrealistic, an invisible team.
And those withdrawal issues over and over.
Exactly. So the honest assessment from the source material is that this is a very high-risk platform. The chance of you ever getting your money back seems extremely low.
So I think the core lesson here, for you listening, is that in this unregulated crypto world, everything can look real on screen, right up until the moment you ask for your money back.
It's a toxic cocktail. You have the hidden owners, the new domain, and the withdrawal failures.
It's a signal to just walk away immediately.
And what's really fascinating is that our sources note that these kinds of sites, they often only last for a few months before they just disappear completely.
Taking all the money with them.
Right. So knowing FentiCoin is already at that 6-month mark, here's something to chew on. What's the final signal? What detail? Maybe a sudden final request for a massive regulatory fee or support just going totally dark might tell an existing user that the whole platform is about to vanish and the time to stop depositing is right now.